Alright, we're cleaning a small home today, doing some carpets and a little bit of upholstery. Got the hallway here. We've got one room, main front room as you come in. Kind of a greenish carpet. I don't know how it's going to show on video, but it's kind of a green. And through here, and we've already started back here. It's the last little room. The carpets aren't really dirty looking, so it's not going to be exciting to look at stains coming out or anything really. So,
no, these aren't dirty carpets, but the customers, they just wanted to have a cleaning. They want it to be spiffed up a bit.
it's better if you clean your carpets before they get dirty and maintain them, because your carpets will last a lot longer. Okay, so I'll keep you kind of get the gist of what we're doing. I'm going to pause here and we'll turn the camera on maybe in the next room. Alright, just finishing up this first room here. Anytime you got a big piece of furniture, if you get some of those furniture sliders right there like that, it makes it a lot easier to move your furniture around. We don't generally move furniture, but when we do, it goes on sliders.
If you have these sliders, you can move this 4-year-old kid can move the furniture.
Alright, I'll pause it here. We're getting ready to move to the next area, so stay tuned. Alright. Now this hallway's got a lighter carpet in it, and it does have some light staining in it. It's not really bad.
No, it's real light staining. It's not bad at all.
I'll turn around real quick. This bedroom, there's a couple little stains right around here, but nothing big. By getting their carpets cleaned before they actually get them dirty, it really does help keep the carpets fresh, and it's good for the life of the carpet. And this is really good quality carpet too.
Yeah, it's nice carpet. Well, it shows the difference in a homeowner and a renter. Now, I'm not insulting renters, but renters don't own the carpet, so they don't particularly care like a homeowner does. Homeowners care about their things because they got to pay for it.
Well, and they have better grades of carpet generally.
Yeah.
The only time a rental house has really good carpets in it is if it's like somebody inherited the property and decided to turn it into a rental, and they could have very expensive carpets in it. They get torn up, but otherwise, most of the time rentals have pretty basic, inexpensive carpet in them.
Yeah, they'll have a commercial grade carpet in.
I haven't seen any sign they actually have pets or anything.
I think they have pets.
Okay.
I think she said some of the stuff in the hall was some pet stuff, but it's not too much of it. It's pretty. They keep after pretty good.
Now we're not doing every room or anything. We're just doing the hallway and the master bedroom. Now, since this machine's Orbital, it's able to clean all the sides of the carpet fibers. Okay, let me sneak into this room ahead of you. Did you spray in here yet?
No, but I'm
okay. We're going to pause because he hasn't pre-sprayed in here yet. So we'll be right back. And I'll try to show some in there. It's a little bit tight. Stay tuned. All right. I'll put some rock stuff down on that.
I need some. Well, ammonia will probably get it out right now.
When you get to the other side of the room, I'll spray it real quick.
Yeah, when you get so you're not filming.
Alright, while he finishes that, I'm not going to try to video over here just so you see there's really no stains.
It's too tight.
Yeah, or anything. I'm going to pause this because I got to go get a little spot treatment thing behind the door.
Okay, open it all the way up.
Alright, so I'll pause here and we'll be in the next set of rooms.
It may not need ammonia, hang on. Seems like it's trying to come out. The aggressiveness of the machine is...
Yeah, it's the orbital motion. It
Go ahead
scrubs
and get the ammonia and
all sides.
we'll do it faster.
I'm gonna put, we'll fix that, but stay tuned. Alright, we're in our last room.
These are they're a sculpted carpet, but they're not high nap. They're lower. It's not a high power sculpted carpet. A lot of them are really super thick, and this one's thinner, which makes it easier to clean.
The bad thing about these sculpted carpets, they're hard to vacuum because they're tight and they hold on to the dirt. This customer has a Kirby that does a really good job of deep cleaning, so they may not have much of a problem here.
These guys on a Kirby, so they can adjust their machine to get any height carpet, which makes it easy to vacuum carpets with a Kirby. We like the machines that you can adjust your brush roll.
Yeah, but you need a really good vacuum to
if
vacuum
you can't
deep.
adjust your brush roll, like we like Dyson. Dyson's, they have a floating brush, and you can't adjust them down when you need to, so you're limited.
You want to get back here?
I will. I'll get all this first out here and then make my way back there last.
Oh.
This is actually a nice carpet. I think the customer said it's about 7 years old, so it's, if it's expensive carpets are 7 years old or new, because our parents had wool carpeting and they had it for 50 years.
Yeah.
And it never got messed up. So expensive carpet, 7 years old, is like a new carpet to an expensive carpet. And these are nice. So somebody invested some money to get these installed. You can tell it's high end just by the way it looks. It don't look.
Yeah, quality carpet cleans right up generally. It's a real pleasure to work with.
Well, when they make a good quality carpet, they have a good stain protectant on it that lasts more than 3 months.
Yeah.
Like the cheaper carpet, it has a stain protectant that'll probably last 2 or 3 years before it even starts to wear off. So it's easy to get stains up because they're beyond Scotch guarded. They're better than that.
All right, he's about done here. I'm going to show you what's left. All right, we're going to clean these sofas here. We're going to try to video it. It's kind of hard sometimes to show upholstery cleaning, but we're going to make an attempt to show it, so hopefully it comes out looking good. But anyway, keep watching.
Let the party start. You want an intro?
Yeah, we're this cushion had a little bit of a watermark here. The pre-spray may have already eaten it up a little bit. This furniture is in such good condition, I don't know if you'll be able to see any real anything dramatic.
The customers we try to talk them out of it, but they want it done anyway, so we're going to go over it.
Yeah,
no,
we're going to.
It's just slightly sold, and it's nice, expensive furniture. They want to keep up with
And
it.
this is still an orbital
we respect
cleaning.
that, so
yeah, it's
yeah,
still orbital cleaning machine. It's loud, so we won't talk over it.
For y'all to know, we're just using microfiber cloths.
Yeah, we've got other things we can use
everything.
if we need to, but the microfiber cloths will absorb it.
Microfibers do everything, so we
Okay.
use them.
Well, I'm going to pause here. We're going to have to move the cushions around a little bit.
I'll do the other side, and then we're going to stand the cushion up someplace.
Yeah, but that's what we're doing here. I'm not going to show the whole thing because it would probably take It's going to take us 10 or 12 hours to do the whole thing. I don't want to video the whole thing. I might show you some progress here and there. So, stay tuned. Alright.
I got an idea.
We're just finishing up the upholstery real quick. And it's not really anything to see. Just so you see how we do it. But, that's all we're doing. Finishing up these sofas.
We'll come back and show all 3 cushions getting cleaned here in a second.
Okay. Alright, well stay tuned. Alright, we're just going to clean the tops and the front edges on camera here. While he works on that,
the stains are out, and the good news is it's practically dry. And I just pre-sprayed it with a 2-gallon plum spray, got it wet. So
not 2 gallons of spray at one time though.
No, but these microfiber bonnets, they absorb.
Okay, we're going to finish this couch. You've seen everything else we did, so you've seen how we do upholstery, and we're going to just finish this up. I'm not going to show the final results or anything because it's going to be beautiful because the couches are already.
It'll turn out.
They look brand new anyway.
They're nice couches, yeah. You can't mess them up.
All right. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.